Alright, so this is going to be a Corsair Harpoon disassembly. I haven't found any of them on the internet anywhere, as I don't think this mouse is that popular. So I tried looking on a bunch of forums and stuff, but yeah, basically nothing told me how to disassemble it. There weren't any visible screws on the mouse at all, until I thought, what if I remove these pads here? So I've got one, I've already removed one, and you can see there's a screw right under here. Don't know where I've put it though, somewhere around here. Oh wait, where did I put it? Never mind, right, I'll just disassemble the rest, just like on camera, just to show you how to do it. So basically, get this little thing here, or anything tweezers, and you take this part off, kind of shove it in like that, and then you can just use your nail, your finger for the rest. I think this will remain sticky enough for putting it back on. I hope it will anyway. Oh, I still can't find the other one. Oh. Alright, well, keep going. And I'll just disassemble this. This part's boring, so I sped it up and added some music. Hope you enjoy. So now with this, it just comes off like, oh, geez. Oh, right, that's pretty easy. I think that's it. Anyway, good luck with whatever you're doing. Give this video a like, because I don't want to be lonely. Good luck.